Hi everyone, thanks so much for tuning into my channel. So today I'm going to be sharing with you a recipe that I thought I would never be making, sardines in pasta sauce. So growing up we used to have sardine every once in a while and I never really loved that fish. I much rather salmon. To me it wasn't very appetizing. So as an adult I never cooked sardine. But over the years, I've heard about the nutritional value of it. It's packed with omega-3s and it has vitamins and minerals, and it is a sustainable fish. It's in abundance in the sea or ocean, I'm not sure which one. And so I had decided to substitute it in a pasta recipe, substitute it for ground chicken or ground turkey or ground beef. And the first time I served it as in a spaghetti sauce with the kids, everyone asked for seconds and they absolutely loved it. So this has become a staple over the past few months and I'm ready to share my sardine in pasta sauce recipe. So stay tuned. I'm going to start with about 3/4 cup of red onions that I'm going to chop up. This is 4 basil leaves that I'm going to cut in thin slices. I love the fragrance of fresh basil and it really adds something special to pasta sauce. So I'm using 4 cans of sardine for this recipe. I've already opened 3 cans, drained them and put them in the bowl, and this is the 4th can. This is a garlic mixture that I make. It's just chopped garlic in olive oil. I've added about 1 tablespoon of this. Alternatively, you can chop up 2 garlic cloves and add to the mixture. I'm adding about 2 teaspoons of thyme, 2 teaspoons of oregano, and about 1 teaspoon of cayenne pepper. I'm mixing the spices in and then mashing the sardines into smaller pieces. I'm not adding any salt to this recipe because I find sardines quite salty on their own, but you can add salt to taste once the sardines are in the pasta sauce. I've heated my pan to medium heat and added some olive oil. I'm now adding the onions, 1 tablespoon of the minced garlic, and then I'm going to cover this for about 2 minutes. I'm adding 1 bottle of spaghetti sauce and I like to get my money's worth, so I've added about half a cup of water to the bottle. I shake it up to get all the sauce out of the jar, and then I'm just going to stir everything together. I'm adding a little more oregano and thyme, and now I'm adding the fresh basil. Now it's time to add the sardines to the sauce. I'm mixing gently here so that it doesn't splash up on me. I've put my stove on medium-low and I'll let this simmer for about 20 minutes. In the meantime, I've added some pasta noodles to boiling water. It's been 20 minutes and the sauce is ready. It's a nice thick sauce, which we really like, but if you want a thinner sauce, you can add half a bottle more of pasta sauce. I'm adding a little bit of cheese and dinner is ready. So there you have it, a quick and easy meal idea that's budget friendly, nutritious, and delicious. So if you try this recipe, let me know how it goes in the comments below. And if you like my meal ideas, please click on that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Until next time, take care.